Part two, everything that they try to snatch from you is going to be returned. This individual is definitely going through, or they are going to go through their humbling season. Now, with the Four of Pentacles in the reverse, this is a strong indication to me that this individual is going to try and align with people that will distance themselves from them. Now, there's an energy of desperation with this person. So with the Four of Pentacles upright, so I'm giving you guys a whole tarot lesson, right? With the Four of Pentacles upright, talks about someone holding back. Could be holding back energetically, could be holding back their resources, could be holding back their emotions. But with this card in the reverse, it indicates that the person who you are dealing with, right, they are going to try and not allow others to simply move away from them. You know, they're going to try and reach out to others. Even if people ignore them, even if people don't reply to their messages, they're still going to continue to message others. It's like they're trying to cross boundaries, or they will try and cross boundaries. And this could be in regards to you. Some of you may have cut this person off, but this individual is going to up the ante. You know, this person definitely lacks discernment, lacks boundaries, and they're going to try and force their energy into your life, into other people's life. You know, the more people resist this individual, the more this person tries even harder. Okay? And again, like I mentioned before in part one, this person is fixated on you. They will be spying on you on social media. If you feel uncomfortable about that, please block this individual. This person sees you as a star. This is one of the reasons why they seek you out. Okay? For some of you, I'm picking up that this individual was so threatened by your charisma and your magnetism that they seek to destroy you. You know, they were so jealous, and they are so jealous of your beauty with the Empress card right there. They see you as regal. They see you as royal. Will they say it in those words? No, but they see how beautiful you are, how at peace you are with yourself. For some of you, you are creative. For some of you, you make clothes, you make cakes, you are the type of person that is very self-expressive. This could be in regards to the way you do your makeup, the way that you do your hair, the way that you dress. You know, maybe it's a job that you do. Maybe you sing, maybe you dance, maybe you have a beautiful home. Maybe you're an amazing parent, amazing mother. There's something about you that this person feels like they cannot contend with. They are, and they were, for some of you, in a one-sided beef with you, unbeknownst to you. You know, this person feels very angry with life. And I feel like, I'm hearing for some of you, their encounter with you was supposed to heal an aspect of themselves. You know, we all learn from each other. And I feel like for some of you, that this individual may have come out of a turbulent relationship and they were still healing. I'm not making excuses for them. For others of you, they could be in a relationship and they're not happy. They don't feel like their partner loves them. They feel like their partner is quite closed off emotionally. And for some of you, I feel like this person was very threatened by the fact that because of how you look, they felt that their partner may find you attractive. So that's just for a small few of you. But for some of you, I feel as if this individual was just not happy. Maybe they hated their job. Maybe they didn't even like their partner, because some people can actually be together, right? And they don't even like each other. And maybe they were in that situation and they saw you being happy, abundant, not knowing what was going on behind the scenes in your life, but just making assumptions that you had everything on lock. You make things look good. And to this person, they basically wanted to disturb your peace. They were on a mission to disturb your peace. And their spirit guides told them to leave you alone, but they did not want to listen. They still try to tamper, or they did actually, unfortunately for some of you, tamper in your energy. They were so heavily invested in trying to destroy you. And that same energy that they poured into in regards to trying to take you down should have been poured into themselves. This is a type of person to throw stones and then hide. And they did the most. You could work with this individual for some of you. This could be a work colleague. And they tried to make your time, or they are trying to make your time at this place very uncomfortable. For some of you, they want a job position. For others of you, they want to be the top dog in this organization. So they could be trying to push you out of a job. They could be trying to block you from achieving success. They could be trying to make it seem as though you are inadequate in regards to your role. But this person has a lot of fear. They are fearing in the now. They are fearing that they are being exposed. And I feel like they are actually being exposed. This individual in the past had a lot of spiritual protection. And they do have gifts. But unfortunately, this person got too big for their boots. And their spirit guides are fed up with them. Their spirit guides, I'm hearing their spirit guides are fearful of your spirit guides. And their spirit guides were like, nah, I ain't getting involved in this. Like with this one right here, you're on your own. Their spirit guides have abandoned them. And this person is now facing karma, or this person will face karma. Because you are ranked extremely high in the spiritual realm. And whatever chaos magic or entity that this person tried to conjure up and throw your way was not effective. It may have affected you for some of you, but that's why I always say, keep your energy levels high. You can do it by throwing yourself into exercise, doing something that you enjoy, some sort of creative hobby, maybe singing, maybe dancing, maybe drawing, minding your own business, focusing on your self-growth, shifting your focus from the problem to solutions. What can I do to make myself feel good? When you do that, you raise your vibrations. Whatever is thrown at you, it will ricochet right back to its sender. And also, you can alchemize. If anyone tries to send you anything, alchemize that into something positive. And I feel that you've been doing that. For some of you, knowingly. For others of you, unknowingly. But Spirit wants me to say to you to keep doing that. Keep alchemizing whatever is sent your way. Alchemize that energy into something positive. Okay, you're hating on me. Okay, you want me to fail. Okay, I'm going to try. I'm going to go even harder. How about that? Okay? Okay? So that's the type of energy that you need to exude. And not just to get these people back or whatever the case is. Keep the focus on you. Keep focusing on being the better version of you. Daily. These individuals, they are stuck in life. They get their enjoyment by trying to destroy others. It gives them that little sense of satisfaction. You're dealing with individuals, and some of you, obviously, you're not dealing with these people, but you are around certain individuals who do not have any life goals. They are so unhealed, and they are in refusal to do the work. So when they see people being happy, looking good, being successful, they try and target these people because they think they're big and bad. But their spirit guides are now allowing this person to see that they're not that girl, or they are not that guy. They could have been successful in whatever field that they were in, but they felt that you were in their way, and they felt that they had to take you down. For some of you, this person may end up in jail. They may lose their job. They are going to lose a lot of money. They are definitely going to go through karma. All the seeds that they planted will not sprout. They're trying to resist an ending, but the situation has come to an end. People will stop investing in this individual. It's coming up again. This person may lose their job. they're going to be blocked